In this video, I am going to show you how to download and install Windows 10 without bloatware. In the end, we will remove all the unnecessary software from Windows 10. It makes fast and smoother system. Without delay, let's start. For installing Windows 10, search on your browser Windows 10 download. Open this first link. Right click and new tab. It is site of Windows 10. Scroll down. Here we have download now. Download this software. Click here. With this software we can boot our flash drive. This is our software. I want to show you here. Look, it is our software. I want to copy it. Download this software, then plug in your flash drive on your computer. It is my flash drive. After that, right click or double click on this software, then click on yes. Look, getting ready. This process takes a few seconds. Then click on accept. Okay. Here, click create installation media USB. Choose the second one. Then click on next. Here everything is okay. Just put by default. If your system is 32-bit, you can change to 32. But my system is 64-bit. It's okay. Then click on next. Here you can choose USB or ISO. I want to choose USB flash. Then click next. In this step also click on next. This process takes a lot of time because we should download the Windows 10 on our flash. If you have a good internet speed, you can download faster. If your internet is slow, it is also slow. It is 99% for me. After that, click on finish. Now if you open your PC, look, the flash drive will get this chip. Now it is ready to install Windows. Restart your system. Click here, then restart your system or power off your system. When you restart, press F9 for HP, F10 or F12 for Dell. When you press F9 for HP and F10 or F12 for Dell, then this page will appear for you. But this page is different on any system. You should choose USB, then hit enter. After that, this page will appear for you. Here, choose your language. I think put by default, it is better. It is English. It is okay. Click on next. After that, here we have install now. Click here. Look here. Here we have different version of Windows 10. I want to install Windows 10 Pro. Then click on next. Here choose this one. I accept. Then click next. After that, click here custom install. Here we have 2 drive. Maybe you have 3 drive or 4 drive. Look on your system. Which drive is for drive C? This drive is for drive C. It is 49 gig. It is my drive C. Maybe your drive C is 100 gig. Before installation, look your drive C. Then format your drive C. I want to format this drive. Then click on OK. Click on next. This step takes some time. This step finished. Now the installation update started. This step also will finish soon. Finishing app. In this step, our system will restart automatically, and also we can click here restart now. This step also will take some time. From here you can choose your country. It is okay for me, United States. I want to click on yes. You can choose your country, then click on yes. Here choose your keyboard. US is okay. Click on yes. I want to escape. If you have internet, you should connect to internet. If you don't have internet, you can click here I don't have internet. After that you can add your email and also your license. Now I don't have internet, I want to click here I don't have internet, then click here continue with limit step. Enter your name. I want to enter my username admin. Anything you want you can add here. Click on next. Enter your password. I want to enter one password. Next. Confirm your password. After that click on next also. Here ask you 3 questions. What was your first pet's name? You should answer correctly, because when you forget your password, if you want to get your account, the system will ask this question. If you answer these 3 questions correctly, you can get your account. But it is not important for me. I want to add admin. The second one I want to also put admin, but you should answer correctly. Here also I want to add admin. Then next. Here click on yes. Again accept. Accept. When the installation finished, search for PowerShell. Right click on PowerShell, run as administrator. Yes. Paste this comment here. This comment is available on the description. Click on yes. Again yes. Just make sure you have a good internet connection. This script will remove all the unnecessary files on Windows 10. It can the Windows 10 faster and smoother. Do you want to stop? No. Do you want to uninstall OneDrive? Yes. Do you want to uninstall item for the start menu? If you want to uninstall, click on yes. If you don't want, click on no. I want to uninstall it. Look, all the items removed. Do you want to uninstall Net 3.5? If you don't need Net, click on yes. Now, would you like to reboot your machine? Okay, click on yes. Now, we removed all unnecessary software from Windows 10. It makes your system faster and smoother. Guys, I hope you enjoy from this video. Have a good time. See you soon.